season on Iron Man Armored Adventures.
Your invention will save lives, Tony.
Dark exosuit activated.
They're calling you Iron Man. I don't care who he is. All I care about is what he's wearing.
Nothing shall stand between the Mandarin and his destiny.
I've got enemies, Rhodey. There are people out there that want to hurt me.
Now, if you don't mind, I'm gonna go save lives.
Tony's got a lot going on, doesn't he?
What took you so long? Don't ask. You guys okay? The Mandarin had 10 Mach 1 rings. 5 more are out there. Jean? Not Jean. Let me go! Never! If you don't, you'll never see your father alive again! My dad's alive. I'm gonna get him back.
And now, a brand new season of Iron Man Armored Adventures.
Faster! Move it, morons! The last thing we need is him finding us.
Easy, Unicorn. Iron Man's been off the radar for weeks. It's smooth sailing. Look at the score.
This is still small time, Shrike. Count Nefaria's days are numbered. I hear there's serious competition moving into town. New blood.
All right, we're finished here. Let's get rolling, boys. You see? In and out in 2 minutes. And not a single sign of... It's Iron Man!
That's not Iron Man! It's...
War Machine! Drop your weapons and... put your hands in the air and...
Oh, wait. Tell them to get on the ground first. First on their knees, then put their hands behind their heads. That's real police procedure. Could you please hurry, mister? I'm in a rush to pick up one of my best friends, and he's rich, so he tips really well.
Okay, everyone on your knees and put your hands behind your heads. But, drop your weapons first. Seriously? Who is this guy?
Iron Man's cousin! Who cares? Cut him down!
Bad move.